your first time using that Cobra King, I'm going to.
Yeah, I will too.
What you want to do is you want to put the sticker on the opposite side because it's only on one side.
I put Kilroy was here on the other side.
Oh, you booger! Yeah, that's right. You got that one.
Remember, I got the Kilroy decal when they were giving it out.
I wish I had that. But I didn't have the shit to burn it, I don't think. Anyway, so, B.
Alright.
Because this is not a long-range gun.
Yeah, for sure.
I usually run about 20, 25 of the explosive ones, the APCR, whatever they are. I run 25 of the M61 shot, and I got 25 of the T45 shot. You don't have to carry that many. 15 maybe. I'm going to drop it down to 15. I may go up to 30 on the M61. No, I won't either. I'm going to go drop it back down to 25. Okay.
Alright, I'm carrying 30 M72, 2 smokes, and like 12 APCR.
I never used M72.
That's what I use on my French jumbo.
Oh yeah?
Hey, look at my little Kilroy.
Oh, so cute. I'll be glad with it. I wish I could get enough kills on this thing to get some camo going.
Yeah, I actually kind of like this darker blue, kind of blue-green that the Cobra King gets.
Most of the American tanks are that color now.
I thought they were more yellow. More of a yellowy green.
I don't know, mine doesn't have much color left on it.
Uh-oh, I have smoke shells as my number 2, not my number 3.
Ooh, I don't have any smoke shells. I keep remembering not to put them in. So keep forgetting to put those in.
I keep a couple smoke shells on me most of the time.
I'm never fast enough to do the reload.
Most of the strategic zones are captured.
Well, rip my Cobra King.
Who the hell shot you?
On the left, I think.
Answer.
No, right through the front. An SA-50 got me. Yay. I feel like I'm getting targeted in my premiums lately whenever I've used them. If I don't use a premium, I don't get targeted, I feel. Well, that went well.
Oh, yeah, cool. Somebody got him.
Hey, that's the guy who got me.
I need to fix. I'm broke. I popped 2 of them. Well, I got one. I don't know who got the other one, the Panther. Busting my ass to try not to get funny. Oh, Cheetos. Somebody got the Cheetos. The tank that goes crunch.
Hey, I got me one with the M6. Cool.
M6 is a pretty good tank. Well, sometimes. Uh-oh. Oh, that Panzer 470 is a dog. Got a Churchill in the motor. Got him running. Son of a bitch. Oh, somebody got him.
I did.
Good. With the M6?
Yep.
He's
I
in the
like
two.
this thing.
You fired both shells at the same time? That's what I do.
Yep, I'm doing the double barrel.
Yeah, I do that too.
Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
Mostly because I can't be bothered to switch guns.
Yeah, it's too much of crap and bullshit.
There's a comet way out at
I did a bad thing here.
uh-oh. Firefly. I need to get used to leading these shots.
Hey, somebody just shot at me.
Watch out, we got Cheeto Latte coming to get us. He's on my left.
Yeah, I see him.
He's looking at me. Oh, this thing doesn't have that great of depression. It's like Russian gun depression.
That latte just blew me up.
Uh-oh. No,
How the fuck did he do that? Oh, come on. You know, he was looking the other way, and then he swung and shot me in the machine gun port? Come on. Nobody can get that good of aim. He's a hacking fool. Well, that's okay.
Yep, he just got me.
Yep, he's hacking. I'm telling you.
Back up.
And then I got from... Did I get shot through a hill? Yep, I did. I got shot through a hill.
Report him.
Oh, that was a close shot. He like scraped to the top of the hill.
I don't care. Report him.
He hit... What a garbage shot.
Report him!
No, the M18 that got me. I'm not talking about the Cheeto Latte.
Is he dead?
The Cheeto Latte?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Oh no, there he is.
Nope, he's still up there killing people.
We won.
Well, so much for having anything successful with the Cobra King.
You know what? Don't feel bad. I only got one
Yeah.
kill. That happens.
Ooh, I just got my Moonshine Raiders
Ooh, cool.
decal.
I think you got that when you buy the Cobra King. I don't know. I got a couple of assists. Oh, he's a furrow. You know what? I gotta find out who this guy is. He was number 1 with 6 kills. He's level 100. I'd like to know where he got his what do you call it from? That's kind of cool. It's a tanker one. I don't know. One thing about it, you make a few more bucks. Oh well.